guys, it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. You join me today on a lovely day with another supercharged Mark IV R32. Now you guys may remember I have featured quite a visually similar car on the channel very recently, owned by my good friend Rob. This car though is running a little bit more power and it is absolutely stunning, so I could not pass the opportunity to feature it on the channel. If I show you some B-roll of this car and tell you that it's done 134,000 miles, would you believe me? I think not, genuinely. It is absolutely immaculate, running 406 brake horsepower as well, and like I said, fitted with a supercharger. So what we're gonna do, seeing as it's such a lovely day and we're joined by the owner Dean, we'll have a walk around as normal and then go and enjoy this thing because it is absolutely stunning and I cannot wait. Okay, so now we're joined with Dean, the owner of this immaculate R32. Mate, thank you so much for coming out on the channel today. This thing is absolutely insane. Like, on a performance perspective, it's nuts, but the condition as well, it is...
Thank you, mate.
The cleanest one I have ever seen. And sorry, Rob, if you are watching, your one is nice too. It's supercharged, which I think is the main part of it.
It is.
But visually, you can't actually see it because it's actually, well, it's mounted way down, kind of behind the grille, isn't it, basically?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, just down here.
Yeah, behind there.
Just behind there.
We go. You've done that before, there we go.
It's just a few times.
Lovely. So what kind of supercharger kit is it, sorry?
So it's just a C30 Rotrex.
Okay, yep, and like we mentioned, 406 brake horsepower. I mean, look at this under here. It is so clean. I suppose you don't have to do loads of other bits supporting mods wise, I suppose, cooling kind of thing.
Fuel pump upgrade, injectors, head spacer.
Okay, yeah.
Just the standard stuff, really.
Yeah. Awesome. I mean, I keep on zooming into this because you could eat your dinner off this, honestly. It's absolutely insane. Finishing the best colour as well, I think.
Of course.
And it's bagged as well. Really, really cool to see another badge car on the channel. What kind of setup are you running on it at the moment?
Just Air Ride UK.
Yeah.
Plush Automotive installed it a couple of years ago. It's running 3P.
Yeah.
It was V2, but that broke.
Okay. I suppose it's probably worth mentioning as well, like, you've had this car for a while.
Yeah, just over 4 years.
And you bought it completely stock.
Completely stock.
Which is
one careful lady owner.
Oh, so you're only the second owner?
Third owner.
Okay, third owner. That's still
but
not
she had
bad.
it for 7 years.
Wow. Okay. And the mileage is genuine, like it's genuinely done.
I wish it wasn't, but yeah, it's 134,000.
If you said to me that it had done 34,000, I would 100% believe you because it is incredible. Wheels looking nice and shiny. I'm obviously a lover for a little bit of chrome on some wheels.
Yeah, they're Image 3P splits.
Again, absolutely immaculate as well. In fact, I'm going to open the boot because the boot build on this, see, nice little supercharged badge there, because the boot build on this is pretty cool as well. So this is obviously the tank for the air ride.
Yeah, so and carbon fibre tank.
Yeah.
Built by Plush again.
Down here, and then a lovely little half cage as well, which is pretty cool.
Nice eBay bike.
Oh, is it actually?
eBay special.
No! That's pretty cool. Pretty damn cool. What are we running exhaust wise as well?
Just Miltech Decat, non-res back box.
Yep, straight through.
Yeah,
nice.
Yeah.
Well, I like to hear. I suppose one thing which probably you may have seen already is the seats. So these are obviously the standard seats.
Standard seats, just retrimmed.
Just retrimmed, and to be honest, I love it. Look at that. I mean, how long ago did you get that done?
Nearly 2 years.
Okay. Awesome. So they're completely standard seats, but just retrimmed in a different colour, still with the OEM R logos. And I like how you've done the door cards as well, so it's just not just the seats.
Subtle,
kind of breaks it up a bit. And like we're just chatting off camera as well, it's a keeper.
It is a keeper.
Definitely a keeper.
Definitely.
Sweet, so if that is everything, I think we should start it up. Yeah. Make some noise, because genuinely I think the Mark IV R32 is the best sounding Golf.
Definitely.
Out of all the generations, definitely. So I had to get another one of these things back on the channel because they sound absolutely awesome. And seeing as we have such a nice day, it is perfect. So let's get this fired up, head on out and go make some noise. That noise. Well, you've got nothing back there as well. Like, it's so much louder. Have you been out in any other generations of Golf?
I had a Mark 5 R32 before this.
Oh, you did? Because the sound of them is slightly
just
different.
slightly different, yeah.
More raspy on this, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
No, this is
The Mark 5 was a lot easier to drive.
Was it?
Yeah, yeah.
But well, I wouldn't say a lot more common, but these are much rarer. Yeah, put it that way.
Definitely.
No, mate, I love this interior as well. Because standard, it was like the half cloth, half Alcantara.
On this one, it was, yeah.
Oh, and you've done the gear gauge as well. I didn't notice that.
Oh yes.
Lovely stuff. Such a cool car, though. Even in its standard form, they're just cool. They're at that age now where just no matter what's been done to them, you've got to like them.
Yeah.
You've got to like them. And the fact that you bought it stock and you've built it up to kind of what you want it to be is.
I thought I was doing a good thing with no offence to the ladies, but she was an old boy.
Yeah.
And there was a hell of a lot of stuff wrong with it.
Really?
Just maintenance wise.
Yeah.
I think she just ran it into the ground basically.
Yeah. And that was what, 4 years ago you bought it?
4 years ago.
Yeah. Awesome. Even just now at low RPMs, it's just rumbling away. Sounds absolutely incredible. God, it sounds so good. As you get up to kind of like 6,000, 7,000, I don't know, the frequency changes and it gets super high pitched. I don't know if that's this specific exhaust or what, but
I don't know.
It sounds unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable.
It's definitely where my wallet hurts the most. The high rev part.
Yeah. Absolutely. And is the engine itself completely stock internal? Completely stock, yeah.
Just upgraded the clutch.
Yes, yeah.
And had the chains, guides done at the same time.
All the essential bits, I suppose.
Pretty much, yeah.
It's still fairly safe, the power, I guess, isn't it? About 400?
Yeah, it's a safe enough power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I suppose with a supercharger, you're not going to get crazy powers compared to like a turbo kit.
No.
But you get that OEM feel. That's what I always find with superchargers. It's just a boost from what it is stock, rather than any lag or any bits and bobs like that. It's definitely the more long-term kind of kit, I think. But, I mean, both are pretty cool. I'm yet to actually be in a turbo Mark 4, so that needs to happen. I just love them, absolutely love them. I still can't believe the mileage on this thing as well. It should not be as clean as this, but it is. I suppose.
I hate seeing it going up, but I just can't stay out of it.
Yeah, well, it's not a bad thing, I suppose. Have you got any other plans for the car then? Is it?
I'm not allowed to have any more plans with it.
Oh dear, you've hit the peak.
I have.
Oh dear. Just give it a couple of months and then just, you know.
Oh, I think I've used those credits up as well.
Oh, you really have gone all out. So before it was obviously charged, because I guess that wasn't the first thing you did. Did you do any kind of like mapping?
Oh, just your standard map. I think I got it to about 260 something.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Then you wanted a bit more.
And then I wanted a bit more.
Yeah. So good. So good. It'd be a criminal to talk over that noise.
I'm just holding on for dear life.
Yeah. Watching the fuel gauge go down.
So obviously I won an award at my Dubs in 2020, and then my wife was playing around with the plaque that you get at work, and she dropped it, chipped it, and I was like, right, you owe me a supercharger, thinking she was going to say,
seriously?
And she was like, yeah, all right then.
No.
So that's how it came about.
Awesome. That's fair play.
Yeah, I was happy with that.
Yeah, no, I don't blame you, mate. Don't blame you. Oh, it sounds so much better with the window open.
It is good.
I need one. I need one. So obviously, when you did charge it, was there any part of you which kind of wanted to turbo it, or was it just, I want supercharged?
I just didn't want to push my luck.
Yeah, so fair play.
I was just happy with the Charger.
Yeah, no, that's fair enough. I mean, you can get some mental power out of the turbo kit on these. But like we mentioned earlier on, it's just such an OEM but boosted version. Like it doesn't feel laggy or doesn't drive untoward or anything. It's just safe, reliable.
I'm happy the way it's came out, to be fair.
Yeah. So how long ago did you say it was charged from? When was it done?
October last year. Okay. I had it done.
Yeah. So still fairly fresh, I suppose, isn't it? Especially over the winter. I can't imagine it's done that many miles.
No, it hasn't. No.
Oh, fair play. It's an epic thing, and thank you so much for bringing it out on the channel.
Thank you, mate.
But yeah, I think that is going to wrap things up for me today. I am desperately in need of experiencing a turboed Mark IV R32, so I'm going to make that happen for you guys, hopefully very soon. But yeah, as always, you can find Dean's Instagram link down below in the description. But for me today, that is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please do make sure you leave a like and make sure to subscribe for all the adventures still to come.